Hi, I am Vibhav and I would like to share a project we recently worked on at Melonleaf. We partnered with a mid-sized non-profit organization in Canada that wanted to improve donor engagement and fundraising effectiveness through data-driven decision-making. As the organization expanded its outreach efforts, it faced several challenges. Donor information was spread across multiple systems, campaign performance was difficult to measure accurately, and there was no reliable way to identify high-value donors or predict future contributions. The organization needed a unified view of donor data, intelligent donor segmentation capabilities, better visibility into campaign performance, and predictive insights to improve fundraising outcomes. Without these capabilities, fundraising campaigns lacked personalization, donor engagement remained limited, and retention rates continued to decline. To address these challenges, we implemented a Databricks-powered analytics solution using Apache Spark, Python, and Delta Lake. We developed machine learning models that segment donors based on engagement patterns, donation history, and behavioral trends, enabling more targeted and personalized outreach. To further improve campaign performance, we implemented real-time analytics and monitoring capabilities, providing greater visibility into donor engagement and fundraising results. The results were significant. The organization gained a deeper understanding of donor behavior, improved campaign targeting, increased donor engagement and retention, and established a scalable analytics foundation for future fundraising initiatives. For me, this project demonstrated how data and machine learning can help nonprofit organizations build stronger relationships with their donors and maximize the impact of their fundraising efforts. And I'm proud to be part of it.